Get access 10,000 plus highly researched ChatGPT prompts with 100% unrestricted PLR rights and boost your business productivity today. Are you still using Chat but getting low results? Are you tired of staring at a blank page, struggling to find inspiration for your next writing project? Do you feel like your creativity is constantly hitting a roadblock, leaving you frustrated and in need of a spark to ignite your imagination? Then you need to use right ChatGPT prompts. One of the most common challenges writers face is writer's block, where they struggle to come up with new and engaging ideas for their content. Writers often find it challenging to find sources of inspiration that can fuel their creativity and help them generate unique content ideas. Writing can be a time-consuming process, and writers may struggle to dedicate enough time to brainstorming and developing creative ideas for their content. Writers may hesitate to explore unconventional ideas due to fear of rejection or criticism, limiting their creative output. Some writers may find it challenging to brainstorm ideas effectively, leading to a lack of innovative and engaging content concepts. It includes 10,000 plus well-researched ChatGPT prompts in multiple niches with 100% unrestricted PLR rights, which means you can resell, reuse and rebrand it and make money. Overcoming writer's block. ChatGPT prompts can help writers overcome writer's block by providing them with ideas and starting points for their content. Sparking creativity. These prompts can spark creativity and inspire writers to explore new topics and perspectives they may not have considered before. Saving time. Instead of spending hours brainstorming ideas, writers can quickly generate prompts with ChatGPT and focus their time on creating content. Improving productivity. By providing a structured framework for content creation, ChatGPT prompts can help writers stay focused and productive. Enhancing quality. By giving writers a starting point or direction, ChatGPT prompts can help improve the quality and depth of their content. Diversifying content. Using prompts can encourage writers to explore different genres, styles, and formats, leading to a more diverse and engaging body of work. Say goodbye to the days of staring blankly at your screen, unsure of where to begin or how to develop your ideas. Say hello to a new era of writing, where creativity knows no bounds and inspiration is just a click away. ChatGPT Prompts Bundle is designed to empower you to explore new genres, experiment with different narrative styles, and break out of your comfort zone to uncover the depths of your imagination. What is ChatGPT Prompts Bundle? It includes 10,000 plus well-researched ChatGPT prompts in multiple niches with 100% unrestricted PLR rights, which means you can resell, reuse and rebrand it and make money. Can I sell ChatGPT Prompts Bundle on W+ and JVZoo? Yes, after buying ChatGPT Prompts Bundle unrestricted PLR license, you can sell this product with private label rights to your customers even on W and JVZoo for huge profits. Do I have to pay monthly fees for this product? No, you don't have to pay monthly fees to access this product. You can just pay once and use it lifetime. What if I am not happy with the product after purchase? Yes, it comes with 7 days money back guarantee. In case if you are not satisfied, we will refund your money. This website in no way is affiliated with Facebook or YouTube entities. Once you leave Facebook, the responsibility no longer is on their site. We make every attempt to clearly state and show all proof. We do not sell your email or any information. Can spam compliant. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us here. All trademarks and logos are the property of their respective owners. This site and the products and services offered on this site are not associated, affiliated, endorsed, or sponsored by any business listed on this page, nor have they been reviewed, tested, or certified by any other company listed on this page. The results shown are not typical, and results will vary based on your market, your efforts, competition, and many other factors outside of our control. The conditional guarantee is not a promise of payout whatsoever. It's merely there to show you that we're confident about what we're offering. To qualify for the conditional guarantee, you must show clear-cut evidence that you've done the work and asked for help and we weren't able to solve the problem. Copyright 2024 ChatGPT Prompts Bundle, all rights reserved. Privacy policy disclaimer, refund policy support. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries, and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement or opinion used in the marketing of these products. Click on any of button and get access ChatGPT Prompts Bundle, over ready to use 10,000 plus ChatGPT prompts. Copy well-researched ChatGPT prompt from huge library of prompts in any niche you want for your business. Intent. A wrong prompt may contain misleading or unclear information, leading to inaccurate or irrelevant responses. A right prompt, on the other hand, clearly conveys the intended query or information, prompting accurate and relevant responses. Context. Wrong prompts may lack context or provide vague details, resulting in confused or nonsensical responses from the AI. Right prompts provide clear context and relevant information to help the AI generate coherent and meaningful responses. Clarity. Right prompts are concise, well-structured, and free of ambiguity, enabling the AI to understand the intent behind the query accurately. In contrast, wrong prompts may be convoluted, contradictory, or unclear, leading to incorrect or nonsensical responses. Specificity. Right prompts are specific and focused, guiding the AI to provide precise and relevant information. Wrong prompts may be too broad, vague, or misleading, causing the AI to generate inaccurate or off-topic responses. Language. Right prompts use clear and grammatically correct language, helping the AI understand and respond effectively. Wrong prompts may contain errors, slang, or unconventional language that can confuse the AI and result in incorrect or inappropriate responses. Tone. Right prompts maintain a professional, respectful, and appropriate tone, setting the right context for the AI-generated responses. Wrong prompts may include offensive, disrespectful, or inappropriate language that can influence the AI's responses in a negative way. Structure. Right prompts follow a logical and coherent structure, presenting information in a well-organized manner for the AI to process effectively. Wrong prompts may lack structure, contain irrelevant details, or be poorly formatted, hindering the AI's ability to generate accurate responses. Engagement. Right prompts are engaging, compelling, and likely to elicit informative and interesting responses from the AI. Wrong prompts may be dull, uninspiring, or uninteresting, resulting in lackluster or irrelevant responses from the AI. Relevance. Right prompts are relevant to the task or topic at hand, guiding the AI to provide on-point and meaningful responses. Wrong prompts may be unrelated, off-topic, or confusing, leading to irrelevant or erroneous AI-generated content. Consistency. Right prompts maintain consistency in language, tone, and formatting, aiding the AI in understanding and responding appropriately. Wrong prompts may lack consistency,